Hi friends, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee, and as you all know, I'm a booktuber and I'm making videos on this book. The name of this book is The Laws of the Spirit World. And as I always say, this book is this long, and I cannot make a full video on this book. I cannot make a single dedicated video on a book. So what I'm doing is that I'm making part by part. So each and every topic I'm covering in each and every video, so you people understand. Okay. So in our last video I have covered this topic called why some people die young, and in this video I am going to cover the topic called good soul are misled by negative soul. Okay, so and do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon, so whenever I update a new video you will get the notification, friends. Okay, so I will start. Okay, and if you have any doubt you can comment me, you can connect me with the Instagram. I will give my Instagram ID in the description. Okay, friends. So the topic is good soul are misled by negative soul. 11th 5th 1981, 11th May 1981. And what I'm doing is, friends, I'm giving number to each and every video. So whenever if you come number wise, then you will understand it better. So this is the 31st video, right? So I will be giving the number on this video. Many good souls have gone on the wrong path, influenced by evil and your world's evil ways. So it is about time people on earth understood and in believed in what is wrong and what is right. So here Vipsi and Rato is telling to us via Korshed Bhavnagari that many people have gone in the wrong path. Many souls have been influenced by the evil and they have gone in the wrong path. So most of the us know what is wrong and what is the right, and we can differentiate between the correct and the wrong. We can differentiate what is correct for us and we can also differentiate what is wrong for us. Okay, friends? We in the spirit world know what you are going through in your world. We know that evil has influenced the world so much that you find it very difficult to go on the straight path. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling us in the spirit world, the all the souls who are residing, they knows with what problem we people in the earth world are going, and the evil influences is so dangerous that we are many a times it's very difficult to work on the straight path. Still, there are many who know they will suffer if they stick to the godly good path, but they still stay on the right path. This is the great credit to them. So here Vipsi and Rato is telling to us that many souls know if they stick on godly path or the correct path, they are going to suffer in their life, but still they do not do wrong path, they do not do wrong work, and they stick to the right path. So this is a very good thing in this, for those souls who always stay in the correct path and who are never influenced by the evil and who go in the wrong path, friends. There are also some good soul who want to work on the godly good path, but because of they fear that bad and evil soul might take revenge or harass and hurt them, they stay from they stray from the right path. So here many of the soul want to be on the right path, but often they think that the bad soul will suffer them, will torture them. So to make those souls happy, they usually sometimes go on the wrong path, which is very wrong, which is said by Vipsi and Rato to us. This soul must know that what they might suffer, the revenge or hurt from an evil man on earth, will be nothing compared to what they will face in the lower realm. So here Vipsi and Rato is telling whatever problems we are going to suffer here by any negative person who are coming in life, it is just paying off a karmic debt, because the lower realm is more dangerous than this. The more danger punishment we are going to get in the lower realm, so that's better we stay in the higher realm. But in this earth world we get some problem and stay here, that's good, right, friends? They must also know that it will take hundred of years and many more lives on earth to come back to the level they left why they were in the spirit when they were in the spirit world before rebirth. So here Vipsi and Rato is telling. So it will take many hundred of years to again come to the same level in which we were in the spirit world if we do wrong karma, wrong karmic account in our this lifetime. So we have to think hundred and thousand of time of doing any wrong karma. This is said by Vipsi and Ratu. If they only realized what awaits them, we are sure that would not fear an evil man's revenge or harassment. It is most necessary for them to know this. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us, if we realize what is correct and what is wrong, and even if we most of the time get harassed by evil soul in this earth, so it is good because our karmic accounts are getting cleared and we are getting free from the karmic debts which we have on our soul. No, dear, good soul, don't go lower. Be sure that your few years of suffering at the hands of such evil person will be much much better than hundred of years in the lower realm. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us, our suffer from some bad evil soul is much 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 better than of staying in the lower realm. We urge evil or bad soul to read what we have written about the lower realm. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling all the evil souls should read this book, The Laws of the Spirit World, whatever Vipsi and Ratu have written about the lower realm. It is no joke to live in such a state, even for a few days. How then could you live there for hundred of years? So here Vipsi and Ratu is asking a question. In the lower realm, it is not a place to live. Even souls cannot live there for just for few days. Then how a person could live there for hundred years? So it's very difficult. So here Vipsi and Ratu is asking a question, right? So now the answer is there. If you still want to continue on the path of evil, you are welcome to it. Is your own folly, but please don't take other down with you. That is even worse as it will take you to the lowest of the low realm. Here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us, even if you are doing any wrong karma, do, but don't take other people with you in doing wrong karma, because it is going to take you to the lowest of lowest realm, which is very dangerous. It is very wrong to make others suffer because of your selfish motive. Evil and bad souls should try to improve now and repent genuinely. So here Vipsi and Rato is telling to us, it is very dangerous to take other people to low with us, and it is very dangerous to create problem in the other people life and make other people fall down. Otherwise the doors to the lowest realm will open wide for them. So then if we do this, then the doors of the lowest realm is going to open for them in the wide way, which is very dangerous. A famous person in your world will not be looked up upon as higher in the spirit world. Here, a beggar from your world could be higher than a king or very famous man. So here Vipsi and Rato is telling it is not important that those who are famous here they are going to go in the higher realm, or those who are even a beggar in this world, that there is quite possibilities that they stay in the higher realm. Fame on earth has absolute no value in the spirit world. Yes, this is a very interesting point. Vipsi and Rato is telling to us, fame on this earth have no value in the spirit world. Means how much famous we are, how much money we have, whatever we are in our this life, but it doesn't contribute even a single percentage in the spirit world. We are positive that no one in their right mind would be foolish enough to enjoy fame on the earth for a few years. So here Vipsi and Rato is telling it is foolishity to be famous in this earth for some period of time and to go in the lowest realm for rest of your life. Only to suffer hundred of years in the hellish darkness of the horrible lower realm. So here Vipsy and Rato is telling just by doing some negative karma in this world and going in the hell for hundred and thousand of years in the darkness, which is fully shitty, and no one should do that. You must try and take other soul to a higher level instead of trying to bring them down to the lower realm. So here Vipsy and Ratu is telling apart from trying other soul to bring down, we should always motivate and we should always encourage the other soul to come to the higher realm. If you bring them lower, it is you who will suffer the most. So if we bring anybody lower, it is us who is going to suffer the most, which is very dangerous. The soul you have brought down will suffer too, but much less than you. It is up to you to heed our advice and guidance or ignore it. So here Vipsy and Rato is telling if we bring any soul down in the lower realm, so that soul is going to suffer, but we are going to suffer more because we brought that soul down. In the same way it is vice versa. If we bring any soul up in the earth world, then we are going to get more benefits than that soul gets. So this now friend, this topic comes to an end. So in this video we have covered this topic: good soul are misled by negative soul, right? So in the next video, we are going to cover the topic called control your mind. Okay. And friend, what I am doing is I am giving numbers to each and every video. So whenever you come to any video from, for example, you come in the 18 video, 20 video, you can do one thing. You can directly go sequence wise. So if you see in this way, you will enjoy and you will love it. So this is the 31st video which I am making, and you do comment in my channel if you have any doubt. If you have any questions, you can ask me directly. I will give answer to in the comment section. You can connect with me on Instagram. So as this video come to an end, I always suggest you to read this book. The name of this book is The Laws of the Spirit World, and this book is very nice, and I suggest you all should read and bring changes in your life. Okay friends, bye, take care, and I will be meeting you in the next video. Okay.